Well, I hope you were able to capitalize on that trade I shared with you last week on gold, XAU USD. It was really profitable. So in this video, we will look at gold and what we expect to do in this upcoming week, as well as having a look at the major currency pairs. Hello everyone, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That is my website where you can go to find out more about Forex trading. And here we are, another week has gone past, so this is my regular weekly analysis video starting on the 12th of February 2024. And as always, I will share with you the high impact news items that are coming out, all of the data that will be released and will be affecting the movement of gold and currencies as well. So we'll look at the high impact news items from our go-to website, forexfactory.com. And then, of course, we will have a look at the trade setups which I shared with you last week and see what was the profit and loss on those. And then for sure, I will share my new pending orders with you, the trade setups that I have in place for this upcoming week starting on the 12th of February. And I do all of this to help you make profit in your Forex trading. And just remember, if you are a brand new trader or you're looking to get into Forex trading and you found this video link by accident, I have a free basic Forex trading course available. It's a video tutorial with about 10 videos on my website, password protected, but it's absolutely free, no obligation. Just contact me and let me know that you'd like to follow that video tutorial, and I'll be glad to give you the password. Contact me on Telegram at rickrayfx or at any of the official links which are below this video. So let's jump into the forexfactory.com website and have a look and see what is the fundamental news, all of the high impact news items that are coming out for this upcoming week. And there are a lot. It's a full calendar again. All right, and I've highlighted just a few of the items. These are mainly referred to the U.S. economy. All right, both on Tuesday and on Thursday. Quite a few very important high impact news items which will affect the movement of not only major currency pairs but gold as well, as gold is paired with the US dollar. But it's just about every currency pair that we trade does have some high impact news item coming out. So be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local times and be aware of these high impact news items coming out this week. All right, so let's look at the profit and loss that we had from last week's trades. And starting off with gold, which is the one I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And this was a fantastic one. It worked out just perfect. If you remember, I had a sell limit on gold with the entry price at 2044. And on Wednesday, that's exactly where it went, which was a resistance level, a resistance zone. And that's exactly where it went, 2044. And then it came down during the U.S. session and then continued down on the next day on Thursday and bottomed out at the support level, which was 2020 for a total of a 200 pip gain. That was our cash cow last week, was the XAU USD trade, the gold trade. Worked out fantastically. And then the Euro US was a sell limit, but it did not retrace. There was no correction, no pullback, so the pending order did not open. And the same with the odd US. It had no pullback, no correction. However, the New Zealand US did work out. Okay, we got a little bit on that one, a gain of 30 pips on that sell limit, which I shared with you last week. And then the pound US, that one also made no correction, no pullback, so the pending order did not open. The USD CAD, we got a little bit on that one, 32 pips. And the USD JPY, the UJ, was a pretty good one. The buy limit executed early in the week and gave us a total of 142 pips. The pound New Zealand, well, this one you had to be quick. You had to be Johnny on the spot. And because on the first day the pending order did open, but we only got 24 pips out of that one before it went absolutely, totally, completely the wrong direction. And then the Euro CAD was a sell limit, but that had no pullback, no correction, no retracement, so that pending order did not open. All right, so let's have a look at the pending orders that I have in place, these trade setups that I share with you to help you make profit on your Forex trading. And just remember that these trade setups that I share with you, this is my perspective on how I see the market moving. I'm not recommending or suggesting that you take these same trades. You can if you want to, but it's up to you to manage your own account and to use good risk management. So the first one that we look at is gold, XAU USD, and the resistance and support. It's exactly the same as it was last week, because as you can see on the chart here, gold has just pretty much gone sideways. It broke a little bit below support early in the week before it came back up. But so the resistance is 2040 and above that 2052, and support is 2020 and below that 2005. So I have a sell limit on my daily chart and the 4-hour chart, which I use for analysis. Gold is neutral on both of those, and that can very likely indicate a change in direction. We have been bullish for a while, but it's petering around, making a new market structure, a consolidation area. So I leaned towards a bearish bias last week, and it paid off very well. So I'm holding on to that same bearish bias this week, and I have a sell limit. Gold closed at about 2024, so let's let that retrace, make a correction, a small pullback to around 2030, where I have my sell limit. A sell limit on gold at 2030. The Euro US, a sell limit with the entry price at 1.0800. The odd US, a sell limit with the entry price at 0.6545. The New Zealand is neutral, okay, no trade on that one, no clear direction, so I sit out the trade on the New Zealand US. The pound US, a sell limit with the entry price at 1.2670. The USD CAD is neutral this week, okay, so no trade on that one. The UJ, well, you can almost always, as I've said before, buy the UJ, and let's let that pull back just a little bit to the entry price there, the blue line you see, 148.90. And the pound New Zealand, these two minor pairs that I share with you, the pound New Zealand, I have a sell limit on that one. It has turned bearish, a clear bearish indication on the daily analysis with the entry price at 2.0620. And then finally the Euro CAD with a sell limit, let it make a short pullback, a minor correction back to that blue line, the resistance zone there at 1.4550. And then as a bonus, I've just thrown in this screenshot. I just couldn't resist. I did not do my weekly, my midweek analysis of crypto this week, but I should have, okay? But I just had to share this screenshot with you because it was so exciting the last 3 days, ever since Wednesday. We've been in a consolidation zone there, as I mentioned in my previous Bitcoin analysis video, around 38,000 to 43,000, and saying that, you know, once we break above that, we would be headed for higher prices. And boy, did we ever head for higher prices. What an amazing move from around 43,000 to 48,000, give or take a little bit. So a $5,000 move in 3 days. Beautiful chart. Love to see that. It's great. I hope you are investing in Bitcoin. Same as me, I buy on a dollar cost average basis. I don't look at the price. I just buy every week. And this is going to be a great investment for the future. So I just wanted to share that with you. I will be coming up with a midweek analysis, my regular midweek analysis on cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, starting again next week. All right, so thank you for being here. If you want to find out more about crypto, remember I have started this on my YouTube channel. It's the same YouTube channel, Prosperity Rising FX, and you can go there and find out how to get started with crypto. If you haven't started investing yet, I talk a little bit about hot wallets and cold wallets and how you can get started as an investor in Bitcoin. And if you really want to know a lot of information about crypto, I highly recommend that you follow this lady, Crypto Casey. She has her own YouTube channel, and she really is the foremost authority on everything crypto, whether it's Bitcoin, altcoins, whatever it might be related to crypto. She is an expert. All right, so I'll put that link below this video, and you can follow that. And I'm doing something new here. Before I sign off, I want to pose a question to you. So this is the question of the week, and a very appropriate question. What do you think will be the price of Bitcoin by the end of 2024, by the end of this year? Please put your comment below this video. I'd love to hear from you. Do you think it'll be 50,000? I don't think anybody will guess 50,000. We're almost there now. 75,000, 100,000. Do you think Bitcoin will be $100,000 by the end of 2024? Just let me know in the comments below. Okay, thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And this is Rick Ray signing off.